Hey, what's up, guys? I'm super excited because I just couldn't resist and I went ahead and picked up the Z Fold 3. I haven't opened this up yet, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna open it up with you guys. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh my god, check that out. That is like a tablet. That is a tablet size. Like a little bit smaller than iPad mini. Oh my god, this is awesome. I should probably take this wrapper off before I start holding it. Oh, not the screen. This first full fold. That is awesome. Feels really nice in the hand too. I've heard people say it's really bulky, but it actually doesn't feel that bulky. It's like if you have a smartphone with a case on it, that's what it feels like. But now if you do put a case on it, it will get thicker. So we'll see how that feels. But all in all, it's not super thick. Like I can practically wrap my whole hand around it. Put this to the side. Just want to see what's all included, which doesn't seem like there's a lot in here. All right, so inside you have the charge cord, and that's pretty much it. I mean, this quick start guide is pretty quick. I mean, there's not much in it. You just have the Type-C cord. Nothing too special. It's just not braided or anything. Pretty basic. And then I also did pick up the S Pen Pro. It does work with the Z Fold 3, but there's no place to put that in here. So it's just a separate accessory. I'm gonna go ahead and power this on. Hopefully it's got some battery in it. There we go. All right, so yeah, we're taken to the welcome screen. One thing I realized is if you're looking at the screen from an angle, you can see the crease, but if you're looking at it straight on, there's no visible crease there. Like I'm looking at a white screen, which should show a crease, but it's not. But if I look at it at 45-degree angle, I can start to see that crease. Well, when you're looking straight on, I can't see it. But as soon as you turn it, you'll be able to see it. There's a camera inside the screen. You can kind of see the dots up here, hidden underneath the screen. I can't really tell it's there until I look up there. If you have small hands, this might be hard to hold. My hands are kind of large, so I can easily grip this between my two knuckles here with the middle finger and the thumb here. But if you have small hands, it might be a little challenging to hold. Shoot. I can't remember my password. So here's the screen. This is kind of new. Hasn't shown it on different phones, but it kind of shows how to take care of your phone. Some care instructions. Nice. Check that out, guys. Check that out.
Some video.
I know. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, this is gonna be really nice. Reading news or surfing the web. This is gonna be amazing. All right, now I'm gonna flip it or fold it. Um, I gotta get used to. I don't want to push in the middle. So there's a display here. It should turn on. Anything? So you have the always on display, but if I turn the screen on, you should see the screen come on. This is actually really nice because it's very easy to use one-handed. Um, if I'm holding it with one hand, the thumb might be hard to use the upper part of the screen, but everything else is really accessible. Like I can easily reach across. Um, so yeah, that is the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm gonna go ahead and get my data transferred, and we'll play around with some of the apps. And hope you guys like this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.